We're going to evaluate this definite integral using the fundamental theorem of calculus, part 2. The first thing that we want to do is just rewrite the problem. The square root of x is x to the 1/2, and that x to the 1/2 power is in the denominator, so we can move it up to the numerator and call it a negative power. Now we're just integrating x to some power, which means we can increase the power by 1. Adding 1 to negative 1/2 gives us positive 1/2. We're going to divide by that same power, and we're going to evaluate this between 4 and 7. Dividing fractions means we flip this 1/2 over and we multiply. That's going to give us 2 times 5, which is 10. And then the fundamental theorem of calculus, part 2, says that we just plug in our upper limit, that's 7, into this function. We subtract, then we plug in our lower limit of 4 into this function. If you wanted to rewrite this using radical notation, you could go ahead and do that. The square root of 7 doesn't reduce at all. The square root of 4 does turn into a 2, and then when we multiply by 10, we get 20. And that is going to be our final answer for this problem. That was a quick one. Good job.